Hey everyone! Looking for the best pressure cooker to make your meals faster and more flavorful? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing pressure cookers of the year, considering cooking performance, safety features, capacity, durability, and ease of use. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Let's get started, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. SVKLHY 3-in-1 Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. The SVKLHY 6.3-quart pressure cooker is a sleek, mirror satin-finished stainless steel pot built for speed, safety, and versatility. Its induction-compatible base features a 3-layer encapsulated bottom that distributes heat evenly and cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. With 3-grade pressure settings ranging from 10 to 15 psi, I can adjust pressure precisely for everything from delicate vegetables to hearty meats. The 3-in-1 design lets me switch between pressure cooking, steaming, or boiling using the tempered glass lid and steamer basket. Crafted from 304 explosion-proof stainless steel, it's both durable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. The one-hand locking lid clamps securely from any angle and won't open under pressure, ensuring safe operation. Whether I'm cooking on gas or induction, this manual pressure cooker gives me speed, control, and peace of mind, all in one compact, high-performance package that's built to last. Number 4. WantJoyn 8QT Aluminum Pressure Cooker. The WantJoyn 8-quart pressure cooker is a polished aluminum powerhouse built for fast, safe, and flavorful cooking. Its multiple safeguard devices, including a self-locking valve, safety valve, and pressure release window, keep me protected throughout the process. The burn-free handle is heat-resistant and easy to grip, making operations smooth and secure. With an induction-compatible base, it works seamlessly on gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Whether I'm steaming, stewing, or braising, this versatile chef pressure canner locks in flavor and nutrients for quick, delicious meals. The 8-quart capacity is ideal for family-sized portions, and the tight sealing lid prevents leaks while maintaining consistent pressure. From beans to meats to soups, this cooker handles it all with ease, speed, and reliability. Built for everyday use, it combines durability, efficiency, and safety in one compact design, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants to cook faster without compromising on taste or texture. Number 3. Imusa 7-quart Stovetop Aluminum Pressure Cooker. The Imusa 7-quart pressure cooker is a polished aluminum essential built for everyday cooking. With a 7-quart capacity and 3.3 mm thickness, it's ideal for large meals like beans, poultry, and chili. The automatic pressure regulator keeps cooking pressure optimal, while safety valves and a cool touch handle ensure safe, comfortable use. Its mirror-polished exterior and natural interior finish promote even heat distribution for consistent results every time. The risk-free locking lid seals in heat and flavor, making it perfect for tenderizing meats and speeding up prep time. Whether I'm simmering a stew, batch cooking for the week, or prepping a quick dinner, this stovetop pressure cooker delivers reliable performance, versatility, and convenience. It's lightweight yet durable, easy to handle, and fits seamlessly into my daily routine. From busy weeknights to weekend meal preps, this cooker helps me save time without sacrificing taste, making it a smart, dependable addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Prestige Popular Aluminum Pressure Cooker. The Prestige Popular 5-liter pressure cooker is a trusted kitchen tool built for safety, durability, and daily convenience. Made from virgin aluminum with a thick base, it ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance across countless meals. The sleeker handles offer a better grip, making it easy to lift, carry, and maneuver, even when full. It's equipped with GRS gasket release system and MSP metallic safety plug, 2 essential safety features that regulate pressure and help prevent accidents. With ISI certification, this cooker meets international safety standards, giving me peace of mind every time I use it. Whether I'm preparing beans, poultry, or soups, this gas stovetop compatible pressure cooker delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Weighing just 3.3 pounds and finished in polished aluminum, it's both lightweight and efficient. From quick weeknight dinners to slow-cooked weekend meals, this cooker is a reliable, practical choice that fits seamlessly into my kitchen routine. Number 1. Presto 6-quart Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. The Presto 6-quart pressure cooker is a stainless steel kitchen essential built for speed, safety, and durability. Its automatic pressure regulator maintains ideal cooking pressure, helping me prepare chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables quickly while tenderizing tougher cuts with ease. The cover lock indicator shows when pressure is inside and prevents opening until it's safely reduced, adding an extra layer of protection. With an induction-compatible base, it works on gas, electric, and smooth top ranges, making it versatile across cooktops. The dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleanup. Just remove the sealing ring and overpressure plug. A helper handle adds comfort and control when lifting or moving the pot, even when full. Backed by a 12-year warranty, this cooker is built to last. Whether I'm making soups, stews, or one-pot meals, this 6-quart pressure cooker delivers fast, flavorful results with peace of mind and performance I can count on every time. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.